So Chevy has completely changed the Corvette with the new Z06. The Corvette used to be a front-engine, rear-wheel drive car with an American pushrod V8, but now it's completely different. A couple of years ago, they made the Corvette a rear mid-engine sports car with the same old engine, but now they have taken it a step further with the new Z06. So let's discuss how exactly are they doing it. Okay, so let's get straight to the good stuff, that is the engine. Now the engine is derived from the C8R GTLM race car, which is freaking cool. This new engine is a 5.5 liter V8 with double overhead camshaft with forged aluminum pistons, and the biggest change is the new flat plane crank, which is way different from the previous cross plane crank. This allows the engine to rev up to 8600 rpm, which is 2000 rpm more than the standard Stingray. The reason why the engine is able to rev so high is due to the flat plane crank. The flat plane crank are more stable, or we can say they are more balanced than the cross plane system, and this also gives the engine a high pitched scream just like some European V8s. Take a listen. The power output of this engine is 670 horsepower, which is 20 horsepower more than the previous Z06, but this is achieved by just a naturally aspirated engine, which makes it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 ever in a freaking production car. So due to this engine, this car can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in 2.6 seconds, which is exactly the supercar territory. There is just one drawback of this flat plane crank, which is the torque. The torque is now 625 Nm, but previously the Z06 had 880 Nm. Now there are a lot of changes in the body as well. Now the body is 3.6 inches wider than the normal Stingray. This is done to incorporate the wider wheels, and they say that these are the widest wheels the Corvette has ever had. Almost the whole body is different. The front has a wider air intake for radiators, and it also has the new bigger splitter. Rear has a completely new exhaust setup with 4 exhaust outlets in the center. Exhaust is specially designed for better sounding in the inside as well as the outside. They have achieved this by redoing the whole exhaust system. Actually, they have made the diameter of outer part of the exhaust tips smaller than the inner part, which makes the sound bounce back towards the cabin, which is a very cool way to do it. The new Z06 also gets the new spoiler at the back. There is an optional Z07 package also. So this package gives the aggressive splitter, the dive plane, and the more bigger aggressive adjustable rear wing. All this aerobits gives the car a total downforce of 734 pounds, or we can say 333 kg at 186 mph of speed. There are some big improvements in the wheel department also. Now the front wheels are 20 inches and the rear are 21 inches, and these wheels are the biggest the Corvette has ever had. The Z06 gets the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, which are like the best in the market, and the optional Z07 package brings the carbon fiber wheels. Chevy says that these carbon fiber wheels reduce the weight of the car by 40 pounds. To stop this fast car, we need a better braking system. So this time the front brakes are 6-piston Brembo with 15.7 inches disc, and the rear are 4-piston Brembos with 15.4 inches disc. And with the Z07 package, you can also get the carbon ceramic brakes. So overall, in the performance department, this car sounds very cool, or at least on the paper. They have also done some work in the interior. The interior is largely the same as the previous Stingray, but now they have few more options like the Adrenaline Red, which is the more luxury option in which the whole interior is red, and the second is the carbon fiber option in which the interior is made out of carbon fiber. Personally, I like the carbon fiber more than the red one. So the car revealed is the pre-production model of the Z06. The actual car might change in some way, but the major facts are going to be the same. Chevy says that its production will start in the next year by summer 2022. The real unfortunate thing is that we are not gonna get this car in India, as Chevrolet left Indian market a couple of years back. But still we are excited. That's how the good car is. Earlier the Corvette used to be a thing between muscle car and the supercar, but now it's a full-blown supercar competing against the giants like Ferrari, Porsche, Lamborghini, and if this Z06 is this good, then I cannot imagine how good the ZR1 will be. I guess we have to wait for that. Till then, stay safe, drive safe, and have fun.